If you have your feathers, right, and they're long and straight, you can take your finger along the spine and curl them, and they will no longer be straight. They'll have more character. And so the other thing that I love doing with these feathers is you can put them in like a little circle like this, and look at how it makes it look a little whimsical. So I love doing this, and you can use this as like a another way to use your feather, or you can just simply do this, right? So I'm going to do a little bit of both. Look at this feather I made. You're going to take your basic feather. Now you can use this feather just like this, right? And again, if it's too straight, you can take your finger and basically you're curling the spine. You've got to bend it and almost break it just so that it gives itself some curl. Okay? Now, if you want to make it look like it's got the little triangle looking thing, that's what we're going to do. I got to move this out of the way because you're going to have feathers. So, all you're going to do is you're going to take your spine, see your spine? And you're just going to, I'm kind of coming close for a reason. So you're going to take your little scissors and you're going to cut this way towards the spine. Okay? And you're just going to cut little slits. Okay? Go down and cut your little slits. You can make it as big or as little as you want to. Right? And then you do the same thing on the other side. Just on the other side so that it's even. Okay? That's all we're doing. And then the fun part happens. So you see how I've cut that? Now all you do is take your fingers and go up and pull the extra feathers off. Okay? So see how now it looks like this. There's just one more step. You just kind of, you can use it just like this and it's fine. If you want it to look a little more diamond shaped, I'm going to show you how to do that. So right here where we went in at an angle, all you're going to do is just cut down a little bit. Okay? Just cut down. And then again, you can just pull that out. You can also cut it at another angle on the opposite side. I'm showing you different ways. But again, you make it how you want it to be. That's the beauty. And if you get any kind of like thing that you don't like, you can always trim it. The nice thing about feathers is you really cannot mess it up, because guess what? Just get another feather. Start over. That's why I use these little bitty scissors, because you have a little bit more control and you can manage your cuts. Now if I want to trim up my top, all you have to do is just trim it. I mean, listen, y'all, this is just, it's like giving it a haircut, okay? Just a haircut. Fluff out your base, pull your feathers again just to get any of the extra off. Okay, you can pull it out if you want to. If you don't like it, you can trim it. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. See how easy that was? Okay, so I'm going to put this in here. And here's what we've got so far. So I've got regular like black feathers. Then I did my little circle feather, bent it over, and did a little feather there. Now you can take this one and put it wherever you want.
It's gorgeous.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So you can put it in your hat like this, right? Let's say you have one of these, okay? And you want one of, and let's say you want one of these. Let's say you want one of these, but all you have is the wrong color. I love these long feathers, okay? And I'd love to have one in purple, but all I have is this, okay? You can make this look like this, okay? You can make the same thing. Just figure out how much of this up here you want. So maybe like a finger length, and then just strip the feathers off, okay? Strip your feathers off. Do the other side. Do the other side. And now you have the same thing. Now you have the same thing. So see, you have the same thing now. And if your top is too big for you, just trim it. Trim this little top edge off, okay? You can just take your scissors and go around and make it more rounded at the top. Is you could turn this into a smaller. So basically you do the same thing and then just trim it right here, and now you have feather petals. And then of course I have some of these. Now I'm going to tell you, you can really elevate your design with these ostrich feathers. Get them in all different sizes. So you can, I think this is an 8-inch, but you can get 8, 10, 12, 14. So you can get these in all different sizes. And if you're going to, I mean, you can make it elaborate, right? So you see how we have all of this in the front. You could essentially put all of these all over, okay? Because one of the things, just like when you make your design, everything is about layers, right? Everything is about your layers. So just don't forget that in these kinds of designs as well.